Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo semuanya, perkenalkan nama saya Muhammad Rehan Ferry Riawan dengan nomor NIM 18821500092. Di video kali ini akan memenuhi ujian akhir semester genap dari Prodi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris mata kuliah Intermediate Grammar dengan dosen pengampu Burhanuddin MPD. Oke, di video kali ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang reported speech. What is reported speech? Reported speech is a way how we report what someone has said by changing some of the words said, but retaining the same meaning. Reported speech adalah cara kita melaporkan apa yang dikatakan seorang dengan mengubah beberapa yang diucapkan, tetapi tetap memiliki arti yang sama. Nah, di sini dapat kita lihat antara directed speech dan indirected speech atau reported speech. Yang pertama adalah contoh kalimat tanya. What did Alan ask us? Nah, dari kalimat tanya tersebut dapat kita simpulkan perbedaan antara directed speech menjadi could you help me? Dan reported speech atau indirected speech menjadi Alan asked us to help him. Reported request offer. When we report offers promise that we can use the structure reporting verb plus to infinity. Nah, saat kita melaporkan reporting verb, penawaran, perjanjian, dan lain-lain, kita dapat menggunakan struktur seperti reporting verb. Sekarang kita lihat lagi contoh kalimat tanya berikut ini berdasarkan gambar di samping. Can I help you? Jadi dapat kita simpulkan kalimat tanya reported speech-nya yaitu. Sekarang kita lihat lagi contoh kalimat tanya berikut ini berdasarkan gambar di samping. What did the woman say to us? She offered to help us. Reporting verb. Kata offer di sini termasuk ke dalam golongan reporting verb, dan kata to help sendiri termasuk ke dalam to infinitive. Jadi dapat kita simpulkan kalimat tanya reported speech-nya yaitu can I help you? Notice the reporting verbs that we can use in this structure include. Reporting verb dapat kita gunakan strukturnya seperti offer, promise, agree, refuse, ask. Example, perhatikan kalimat tanya sebagai berikut. What did Jake say? Statement, he promised to work harder. Reported speech, I work harder. Reported order request. When we reported orders, request, warning, and face invitation aids, we can use the structure reporting verb plus object plus to infinitive. Ketika kita melaporkan pesanan, permintaan, peringatan, dan undangan lain-lain, kami dapat menggunakan struktur reporting verb ditambah objek ditambah to infinitive. Dapat kita lihat example berikut. Kita lihat bagian direct speech-nya yaitu can you tell me how to read the word John? Kemudian dapat kita lihat kalimat tanyanya. Lalu indirect speech atau reported speech-nya yaitu the girl asked John tell how to read the word. Reporting verb plus object to plus to infinity. Notice the reporting verbs that we can use in this structure include Overpromise, agree, refuse, aids. Reporting phrase dapat kita gunakan struktur seperti overpromise, agree, refuse, aids. Example: Amy, I think you should do your homework. Direct speech. What did mother say to Amy? Indirect speech. Reported speech. Mother advised Amy to do her homework. Reporting negative order, promise, advice. In negative order, promise, request, aids, we use the structure not plus the infinitive. Dalam kalimat negatif yaitu not plus to infinitive. Don't eat too much sweets. What did the destines ask you? The destines ask you not to eat too much sweets. Not plus to infinitive. Change of pronouns. Mengubah pronouns atau kata ganti. In reported speech, we usually need to change the pronouns I, you, me, this, and possessive adjectives my, your, its. We usually change the pronouns from 100% I, me. Orang pertama I, me. What did the woman say to the man? She asked him to be careful when he passes her the box. Please be careful when you pass me the box. Oral drill. What did John promise? John promised to work out the program in 2 minutes. I worked out the program in 2 minutes. What did the woman say to the man? She asked him to be careful when her box. Please be careful when you pass me the box. Oke, cukup sekian materi UAS yang saya sampaikan. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf apabila ada kesalahan dalam pembacaan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.